Wrong wiring is the first reason BMS doesn't work. Today, I'll teach you the complete wiring for UP16S019. This is the UP16S019 integrated Bluetooth Wi-Fi dedicated BMS for home energy storage. Firstly, there are 4 data collection ports, 3 connection ports for the adapter boards, and 1 display interface. Starting from J1 on the BMS, corresponding to the cable marked as 1. Connect the acquisition cables to the battery pack. Before connection, confirm the total positive pole and the total negative pole. After confirmation, we assign sequence numbers to the acquisition cable. We also mark the corresponding serial numbers on the battery packs. The 18th cable should be connected to the main positive terminal. In the 2 images above and below, connect the numbered cables to the corresponding numbered connection points. There are 4 data acquisition cables marked 1, 2, 3, and 4 here. The 2 black cable are the temperature sensing cable. The white wire located next to the temperature sensing cable is the first string. The first cable is the sampling cable connected to the main negative terminal. The second cable connects to the positive terminal of the first cell. The third wire connects to the positive terminal of the third cell. Connect the positive terminals, sequentially, up to the 9th series. When connecting the 9th string, please note, the 10th cable must be connected to the negative terminal of the 9th string. And the 1/11th cable, it needs to be connected to the positive terminal of the 9th series. Except for the 9th string, other strings remain connected to the positive terminal. When all the collection cables have been properly tightened, now, we just need to connect the cable to the BMS, and we're all set. We can just connect them according to their serial numbers. There are 3 sets of cables here. They correspond to the 3 interfaces of the BMS. All 3 of these connectors are high to 0.0 adapter board sockets. It is primarily used for data transmission. Connecting the self-locking switch. This is the button for controlling the BMS. We now connect the B terminal of the BMS. We continue connecting the main positive terminal. Connecting to the BMS. Finally, we install the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antennas. After connecting, press the switch. The BMS operates normally. We can see that the red LED light is not lit. The light next to it is flashing. We use an RJ45 cable. Connect to the inverter and the entire connection is completed.